Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I will be unboxing the Planner Society's Valentine's 2019 kit. I picked this up back when she did the pre-sale in December. And I know she did also post what she had left on her site. I think it was last week, and they sold out really quickly, so I'm glad I was able to grab this as pre-sale and get it because it is a beautiful kit. So I'll be doing a B6 Traveler's Notebook setup sometime soon for Valentine's or February. This will be my first B6 Traveler's Notebook. I actually did order this black and white buffalo plaid that she sold recently because I'm all about that and I love that. But as you can see, I haven't set it up yet. So I'll be doing my first TN setup pretty soon. I'm waiting for the dashboards and insert that I ordered from 1407 to come in, and then I'll be ready to set up. I ordered an insert from Jasinia's Printables, and so I have that, but I actually haven't decided what I'm going to be using this for. So once I figure that out and get that squared away, I'll be able to order whatever inserts I think I need to finish that off. So I'm really excited. I'm definitely excited for this kit. So let's see what's in it. All right. Oh, look at that. All right, so I guess we'll start with this. So this is the red and pink floral pattern with the black leaves. And it has hearts on the inside. It does have 6 straps, so it'll hold 6 inserts or more if you use jump bands. So that's that. It's gorgeous. And then here's the kit. All right, so give me a moment. Let me get into this. Of course, I'll be trying to reuse this bag, so let's see if I have enough undo. All right. Let's see. All right. So it has a little notepad. I think these are sticky. I watched some of her stories where she showed some of these items, but I don't think I saw everything. But yeah, that is a Post-it type sticky notepad. Very cute. And a beautiful pen. I actually love that with the pink inside, the black, and again, that beautiful pattern. Here is the Washi. Let's work on getting this open. All right, so let's see. So there's this one. It is the black and white buffalo plaid with some tiny sparkly pink hearts on it. So that's super pretty. And of course I love this one because it has that pattern. But this has a pink foil in those flowers. So that is gorgeous. And then we've got the die cuts. I'll lay these out here. And I know she also released the digital version of the die cuts and the papers, and I had to have that too, so I'm excited to know that my die cut options will be aplenty. I'll stack these on top of each other since they're very similar, because we're going to run out of space in just a moment. Let's see. There's the chair in the black. And let's see. I hope you guys can see all of these. I know I'm towards the close to being out of frame, so I'll just show you this one, and then that way I can show you the girls. She said she had released these before, I think digitally. I think I did see these on her shop before, but you got the hair and the skin tone options, so there's 8 total to choose from. So they're all so pretty. And then she did some tags. So those are the tags. And then that's the backer card that the die cuts came with. So those are super cute. There's planner pockets. And that die cut, that backer card is so pretty as well. I love that pattern. Which is cool because it's on one of the pockets, one of the small pockets. There's the buffalo plaid with some rose gold foil hearts. The signature pattern for this kit. And then a pink with rose gold hearts. So super cute. She did the glitter bow tabs in a larger and a smaller size. So that's going to be cute. As well as the glitter edgers and the both stickers. And this very pink glitter. Very pretty pink. So that's so cute. And then here are the papers. Let's see. All right, so here are the papers. We've got the same pattern that's on the Traveler's Notebook. That I think is what really sold this kit for me. I love this pattern. It's so pretty. And on the back side of that is a nice simple pattern, black flowers on a white background. Then there's this one. This one's so beautiful as well. There's 2 sheets. So for the regular paper, there's 2 sheets in each. So you get 2 of those. On the back of this one is the buffalo plaid. Love that. Alright, and then we have one of the acetates with red hearts. Let's see here. Here we go. So red heart acetate. The vellum with that beautiful signature pattern on it. And then this vellum is the buffalo plaid in pink. Isn't that cute? And then we've got this red background with the black and white flowers. And on the other side of that one is the pink with black hearts. So that is everything that came in the kit. Like I said, I did also purchase and download her digitals that went with it. So I have basically the die cuts in digital format as well as the patterns. I believe the patterns that she did offer digitally, I think there's like 20 of them. So there's 2 other variations of this type of floral. There's like some just variations. There's definitely more options, so I'm excited about that, to be able to print off some other things to use in my traveler's notebook setup. So we have that. Again, just stack this all back together so we can see this loveliness one more time. Here's the girls. And all the die cuts, that's not even all of them. Then of course the pen, the notepad, this gorgeous washi, and I ordered the TN. The TN did come separately from the kit, but you know, like I said, I love that pattern, so of course I had to have it. But obviously, as you can see, that she used the buffalo plaid in this kit, so honestly I could use either option, but we know I'm going to use this one first, right? So that's it. Like I said, I'll be setting up my first traveler's notebook soon, and I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys will check back. I don't know if I'm going to take you along and do a process video, since it will be my first setup. I'm sure it's going to be kind of a slow process for me, but I'll definitely show you. I've been piling up the things I want to use in it as well, and like I said, ordering a few things, so I'm waiting for those to come in. But if I don't do a process video, I will definitely do a flip through once I have it all finished, so stay tuned for that. Speaking of, hopefully you will subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.